Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting precise constraints and capturing the first reliable frames. You need lock tracking and consistent lighting. That reduces noise immediately. Once done, enable high-frequency sampling and align your coordinate system to a known reference. You should record a short calibration sweep while keeping velocity steady to reveal repeatable snap behavior. Make sure to save raw traces and tag the segment you'll analyze next so subsequent steps use clean, reproducible data. You now process the saved traces to isolate true snap points. First, apply a short window filter to remove drift while preserving transients. Then detect peaks in velocity and acceleration, threshold adaptively based on baseline variance so you don't miss small snaps. Once you have candidates, cluster by waveform shape and timestamp. Select the cluster with highest repeatability and lowest timing jitter. Make sure to normalize amplitude and time so the chosen snap points. You finish by encoding the chosen snap points into your target format and validating performance. Run at least 10 repeats and record timing jitter and positional variance. If metrics meet your tolerance, lock the points and export. If results are inconsistent, increase sampling rate, tighten the detection threshold, or rerun the calibration sweep with steadier motion. One key troubleshooting tip: when jitter spikes, check for dropped frames or intermittent lighting changes. Fixing those usually restores reliable snap detection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.